What's up, everybody? So, for those that caught me at the beginning of spring, beginning of summer, stuff like that, if you were wondering about this water tank and hauling the water out to the garden, it worked out great. I did not hook a pump to it or nothing, just a 100-foot hose hooked to it, and I'm cleaning the bed out right now. That hose got hooked to here. I did have to get these plastic PVC fittings. All I had to do is kick that on, let gravity do its work. It worked out well. But it just dawned on me while I was cleaning the truck out, I did not do a fertilizer video. So if curiosity's killing the cat, there's some fertilizer in there. It wasn't grass clippings like last year. I showed everybody how to do the grass clippings. This year what I did, and it worked out well. Because like right now we are in a drought. You ain't mowing. No grass clippings. I had to figure something else out. The ducks. When we drained their pond, I filled some 5-gallon buckets. Snap some lids on it and let it do its thing. Them ducks really can make some good garden fertilizer, and it works out very well too. I bought one of them sprayers, poured it into the sprayer bottle, and went around to each plant and sprayed it. I ain't gonna complain. I found a job finally for them ducks. Make me some liquid fertilizer. It works out well. Well, now that that's done, and a few other things, what a day. It's time to go have some fun. Antique tractor time. Maybe I'll just continue this video there. And by go have fun, yep. Take a break. Time to go to an antique tractor show. Really digging this Massey. I don't know. My Fords are good, but I'm digging these Masseys. Maybe I'll get some videos of the tractor pull too. So there's a couple pulls for you. Then they broke the sled after that John Deere Strong, I guess. But there's other stuff here to do as well. Plenty of tractors to check out and learn. So, until the next video, don't forget, work with what you got. And if you're bored and live around Carroll County area, stop in at the fairgrounds here. It's starting to get late today. It's on Saturday. They'll be out here tomorrow too. And check out the Carroll County Antique Tractor Club. We'll have some pulls tomorrow as well, along with all the tractors. Until next video, later.